Ever stared at a blank screen not knowing where to start? Whether it's an email, a resume, or just planning your day, that first step can feel impossible. That's the blank page problem, mental overhead that kills productivity before you even begin. Today, I'll show you 5 practical ChatGPT hacks that turn this AI from a novelty into a real productivity tool. We're talking about eliminating tedious tasks so you can focus on what matters. If you've ever hit that creative wall, you're in the right place. Let's break down how to make AI work for you, not the other way around. Let's get into it. Wait a minute, you over here enjoying this video and ain't hit subscribe yet? Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. It's free, it don't cost a thing, and it really helps us stay motivated to drop more videos that can actually help you out. First up, emails. We all send them, and we all know how tricky it can be to get them just right. Whether it's a quick note to a colleague or a formal message to a potential employer, the words you choose matter more than you think. We all know the pain of writing a message that just doesn't sound right. Maybe you're worried it's too blunt, or perhaps it feels awkward and stiff. That uncertainty can make you second-guess every sentence. Instead of agonizing over tone, copy your draft and paste it into ChatGPT. This tool is like having a writing coach in your pocket, ready to help at any moment. Use a prompt like, "Make this professional but warm and friendly." You can even get more specific. Ask for concise, persuasive, or even apologetic tones depending on your needs. In seconds, you get a polished version, your message, but clearer and more effective. It's like having a second pair of eyes to catch what you might miss. It's not about being fake, it's about making sure your intent comes through. The right words can help you avoid misunderstandings and build better relationships. Whether you're applying for a job, replying to a client, or just checking in with your team, the right tone builds trust and shows professionalism. You can even tailor responses, empathetic for complaints, appreciative for follow-ups, or enthusiastic for new opportunities. ChatGPT adapts to whatever situation you're facing. This workflow removes anxiety and saves time. No more staring at the screen, wondering if your message sounds right. Write your rough draft, let AI polish it, and tweak as needed. You stay in control, but with a lot less stress. It's a simple change that makes you look and feel more confident. Your emails will stand out for all the right reasons. So next time you're stuck, don't hesitate. Let AI help you craft the perfect message and watch your communication skills soar. Next up, resumes. For many people, this is the part of the job search that feels the most intimidating. The blank page, the pressure to impress, and the fear of missing something important can make the process feel like a huge hurdle. Building a resume from scratch is overwhelming, especially if you haven't updated yours in years or are starting from zero. It's easy to get stuck on what to write, how to format it, or which skills to highlight. But with ChatGPT, the process becomes surprisingly simple and stress-free. The AI can guide you through every step, so you're never left guessing. All you need is a clear prompt. For example, you can say, "Write a one-page resume for a cashier with 5 years at Walmart." The more details you provide, the better the result. Instantly, the AI generates a full, structured resume, complete with a professional summary, detailed responsibilities, and a list of relevant skills. It's organized, polished, and ready to use. Want to highlight a specific achievement or add a new section? Just ask. For example, add a bullet about resolving customer complaints, or include a section for technical skills. The AI updates your resume in seconds. You can iterate in real time, making changes and customizing your resume for each job application in just minutes. No more endless editing or worrying about formatting. This technology lowers the barrier for everyone, whether you're a first-timer, a career changer, or someone returning to the workforce after a break. It's accessible and user-friendly. Once you're happy with the content, simply copy the text into your favorite resume template, make any final tweaks, and you're ready to apply. From a blank page to a submission-ready resume in under a minute. What used to take hours now takes just moments. It's fast, empowering, and practical. You'll feel more confident knowing your resume is polished and professional. Use this tool to get your foot in the door, without the stress or frustration. Let technology help you take the next step in your career journey. Want ChatGPT to write like you? Here's how. Find a sample of your writing, an email, blog post, or even a text. Paste it into a new chat and prompt, "Analyze my style." From now on, write in this voice. Now, every output matches your tone. Formal, casual, even a bit of sass. This is huge for content creators and anyone building a personal brand. You can have different chats for different voices. Work, personal, whatever you need. The key? Give it a good sample. You're not replacing your voice, just amplifying it. Authenticity at scale. Got ideas but hate typing? Use your phone's voice-to-text to capture thoughts on the go. Brain dump your ideas. Don't worry about structure. Copy the messy transcript into ChatGPT. Prompt: turn this into a well-structured blog post with a catchy intro, bullet points, and a strong conclusion. Instantly, your rambling becomes a polished draft. This separates idea generation from editing, keeping you in the creative flow. Review, add your flair, and you're done. No more blank page, just fast, frictionless content creation. Try it next time inspiration strikes. Ever feel overwhelmed by your endless to-do list, unsure where to start or how to fit everything in? You're not alone. Juggling work, personal tasks, and self-care can be exhausting. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Let ChatGPT plan your day, transforming chaos into clarity with just a few prompts. Simply give it your available time frame and your top priorities, like schedule my day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. with deep work, content creation, lunch, and breaks. ChatGPT instantly creates a personalized schedule tailored to your needs. The AI builds a detailed hour-by-hour plan. No more decision fatigue or wasted minutes wondering what to do next. Need to make a change? Just ask. Move my workout to the morning, or add a 15-minute meditation after lunch. ChatGPT adapts instantly, keeping your day flexible. Want to work smarter? Request, use Pomodoro blocks for deep work, and watch your productivity soar as the AI structures your focus sessions and breaks. Think of ChatGPT as a dynamic planning partner, not a rigid boss. It listens, adapts, and helps you stay on track, even when life throws curveballs. Instead of a simple checklist, you get a clear, visual roadmap for your day, making it easier to focus and accomplish more. This structure reduces stress, boosts productivity, and frees up mental space for creativity and relaxation. Whether you're a student balancing classes, a freelancer managing projects, or a parent coordinating family life, this is a true game changer. Visualize your day, make time for what matters most, and see your priorities come to life. And don't forget to schedule and rest, because recharging is just as important as getting things done. Let AI handle the logistics, so you can focus your energy on what truly matters: your goals, your growth, and your well-being. That's it. Emails that connect, resumes that build themselves, content in your voice, blog posts from voice notes, and daily plans that work for you. These are actionable strategies you can use today. The goal isn't to let AI do everything, but to free you up for what matters most. Use one tip or all 5, you're already ahead. Want more? Subscribe to Dusty Seconds for quick, practical breakdowns. Check out the Shorts playlist for 30-second versions of each hack. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.